How to hard reset an Android phone.
This tutorial shows you how to completely wipe your device and restore it back to factory settings on your Android device. First, make sure to back up all your important data, like photos, contacts, and files, before proceeding, as a hard reset will erase everything on your device. After that, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap on General Management. At this point, tap on Reset to open the reset options. In the next step, tap on Factory Data Reset to begin the process. Following this, scroll down to review everything that will be deleted from your device. Once done, tap on Reset at the bottom of the screen. From here, enter your PIN, password, or pattern to verify your identity. At this stage, tap on Delete All to confirm and start the reset process. Finally, your device will restart automatically and begin wiping all data, which may take a few minutes. Once done, your phone will boot up fresh, as if it just came out of the box. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you hard reset your device, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.